Lydia, you are choking my arm to death. Look at her. What are you doing, silly rabbit? You're cutting off all my circulation. Yes, you are. Look at that. Oh, she's turning my arm bright red. You know I'm not going to drop you. I have you out often. You know I'm not going to let you fall or get hurt. You're such a pretty girl. Yes, you are. She's cutting off my circulation totally in my arm. My thumb's bright red. What are you doing to me, Lydia? You think your ball pythons can't get big? Let them get a lot of exercise out of their enclosure to see how big and muscular they get. Because they get lots of exercise. That's why my snakes are as big as they are. Because they get a lot of activities. There she is. There's Lydia. There's Lydia. You feel like a woman now? You've turned my arm numb. You don't have to feed your snakes a lot to make them big. Feed them a regular diet and give them some exercise. That way you don't have fat, lazy snakes. You have strong, healthy, muscular snakes. Lydia, you're so pretty. Yes, you are. So you woke me up, Mama, to take me out. So you gotta quit doing that stuff. I got a bad habit of waking her up to bring her out. Do you realize what you're doing to my arm? I don't even know if I can hold the camera with one hand. Look what color I am. Look what color you got me. Yeah. She's sound asleep. Cut off all my circulation and then go to sleep. What do you call that? Lydia. Can I have my circulation back, please? Yeah? She could care less. She's sleeping. She's got a death grip on my arm. I'm not going to let you fall, silly. She's choking my arm to death over here. My arm's turning blue. Lydia. Ball pythons can get really strong if they're muscular and they get a lot of exercise. She's a beautiful Pastavi. She's a pretty girl. She's sound asleep. I haven't had her out of her enclosure 10 minutes and she passed right out on my arm. And she's turning my arm blue. Hi, Lydia. What you doing? She don't like that fan at all. Is that fan bugging you? Ugh. I can't even use my other hand to adjust my camera. You got it so tied up. There you go. You feel better now? You happy you're out? There. You're just beautiful. Yes, you are. You're a beautiful girl. She's sleeping like a rock. That's a happy snake. Definitely not just tolerating being held. Seeing how she's holding me, I'm not holding her. Look at you. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Look at that face. Ball pythons are beautiful. I'll tell you, some of the new genetics that the breeders are coming out with are just mind-blowing. I'm in love with the paradox and the purple passions. They're gorgeous ball pythons. You know, people don't think back. It wasn't that long ago the only ball pythons on the market were normals and reduced patterns. Look how big you are. And you're still turning my arm all kinds of colors. There is a hand in there somewhere. There's part of an arm.